Hi, just going to give you a quick video about the Candlestick Pattern Indicator for TradeStation. It works for RadarScreen, chart analysis, and the scanner, and basically you can use it to look for a lot of different candlestick patterns. The list is shown here, doji, a lot of different bearish and bullish signals that can be scanned for. And basically you can use this for any time frame as well as the tick charts. And this video we're going to show you how to use the scanner to find these patterns. And let's see, so we got that, and if you would like to contact us or have ask info or just look at our website, it's shown there. There's the email and the website. And let's see, we'll go ahead and get the legal information here. I'd encourage you to pause this video and read through this. Basically, we're saying we're not giving any type of financial advice, nothing, no trading recommendations, investing recommendations. This is purely for educational purposes, and you are fully responsible for all your actions taken, for trading, investing, whatever. So, okay, let's get going here. And pull up a screen here. I've got my, let's see, we got the scanner pulled up. I got a lot of different scans, and I went ahead and opened up a chart analysis window. And the first, I'll just go ahead and we'll insert the candlestick pattern indicator here. And you can enable or disable these by basically true. They're all set to true by default, and you could turn them on or off. Just for the chart analysis, I'll go ahead and leave everything on so we can see what's there. And then for this one, let's see, well, I've got these in here, but let me go ahead and delete them out. Basically, you can see this is a scan just looking at the S&P 500. And then the criteria, I'm looking for things with a volume of over 1 million shares and a price of at least $20. And so next, we want to go in and pick the candlestick indicator. It's a ShowMe. So we want to come down here and say candlestick, say OK. And we're going to look for possible reverse, and we want to set this to true. And then we're going to come in here and pick the patterns we want. In this one, I'll just set it up just to do a bearish scan, so just the patterns that are bearish on their own. So we want to turn the doji off, turn the bullish, all the bullish type signals off, the hammer off. Obviously, you can pick whatever patterns you want to scan for. I usually have let's see, I have sorry, trying to do this in type. I have like a bullish scan and a bearish scan is what I usually do, just to kind of segregate, all the potential, long trades or short trades. And let's see, false. I think let's see, got that to false, true, and then the shooting star. Okay, so we'll say okay there. Oops, I'm sorry. One more thing, I wanted to insert the same indicator here with the same settings. Let's see. This is just so you can display, to show you how to do that as well. So right here we'll say current pattern for display. This will just give us an English description of the pattern that was found. So of course we'll need to set this to be, well, you could leave it, but we'll just go ahead and set them all to mirror the one above. So we'll set the bullish ones to false, or the indeterminate ones to false. And let's see, so we want to do the hammer we've got, dark cloud, we want that true, piercing pattern, we want to set that to false, and then the morning star, we'll set that to false, evening star, we want that to be true, inverted hammer, we want that to be false. And again, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm just going through here to what I do? True, okay, true, we want that one to false, and got that false, true, so we want this true and this true, and so we can say It's good with that. Just let me double check this one. So false there, true, I mean false for the bullish, true, false, true. Piercing pattern is false. That's right. Morning star should be false. The evening star should be true. The bearish one should be true. Bearish kicker true. Shooting star true. Okay. So we've got that. So you can see we've got the volume we want, the price we want. Again, you could put any other criteria up here you want. I just have these just for example purposes, and then we're gonna. This is the key thing. You need to, when searching at the candlestick indicator, you need to set this positive reverse plot essentially to true, because inside the indicator, all the patterns you search for will basically be aggregated together to set this indicator to true if any one of them is found. And then this is like I said, the current pattern is just going to give us a text display of the pattern that was found. So we'll go ahead and say run that, and you'll see that it scans through real quickly, and it usually takes, oh no, less than a minute or so to search through the S&P 500. This is on, let's see, on the close of the market on March 26, 2014. So that's when this scan is being run. So let's see, we've got a whole bunch of them. Of course, we had a down day in the market. So let's see, well, we got Apple, bearish engulfing pattern, sure enough. And you can see over here on the chart, the red indicator tells you that it's a bearish, potentially bearish candlestick pattern, and then E is engulfing. Of course, you could set this text to be whatever you want. This is just the default. Let's see, something different. Dark cloud pattern, sure enough, and up and then a down that comes down. Let's see, what else? Shooting star. Yep, got one popped way up and came down. So you can see all these different things. Let's see, we got caterpillar, dark cloud, sure enough. Just see all the different bearish patterns that were found. So we've got another shooting star, popped up and then certainly popped back down. So you can kind of see that you can look for whatever pattern you want to. Again, I just made a bearish search to kind of to use all the patterns that kind of by themselves are bearish. And like you could make a bullish one that you can kind of see. That's what I have, a bearish one. Then do for the weekly as well. This is a daily scan, by the way. You could do this for any time period, but I usually just do it on the daily and the weekly. And then I've got my bullish and my bullish weekly scan that's scheduled to run. So hopefully this is helpful. And again, like I said, if you have any questions, you can go back to the start of this video and have the email contact there, our website, and go ahead and download this indicator. It's got a free trial period, so load it up, see if it's useful to you, and if there's any questions you have, let us know. Thanks.